Quo and Grasshopper are two phone system tools used for business. This video compares both services for growing teams. While both apps make calls, they have a different approach to pricing and AI. We analyze team collaboration, AI automation, and integrations, plus 3 other key areas to see which one performs better. Just a quick note, we've partnered with Quo for this video, but our goal is to provide an objective look at both so you can make the right choice. By the end, you will know which virtual platform is right for your startup. Before diving into the comparison, it helps to understand what these two platforms are designed for. Quo is a modern cloud-based business phone system built around a shared inbox workspace and a team collaboration, AI-powered features, and integrations with other software. Grasshopper is a more traditional virtual phone system designed to give small businesses a professional phone number with extensions, greetings, and call forwarding. Team collaboration and shared inbox. One important difference between Quo and Grasshopper is how they handle communication. Quo is designed around a shared inbox model. Calls, texts, voicemails, and notes all live in one conversation thread that the whole team can see. Teammates can leave internal notes, tag each other, and clearly see who has already responded to a customer. This makes it much easier for teams to stay aligned and avoid duplicate replies or missed follow-ups. Now, Grasshopper takes a more traditional approach. Calls are routed through extensions and forwarded to individual phones. But there isn't a shared conversation history where everyone can see the full interaction with a customer. For very small businesses, this setup may work fine, but as teams grow, it can make coordination more difficult. In short, Grasshopper focuses on routing calls to the right person, while Quo focuses on helping teams manage conversations together. All right, that covers team collaboration. And if you have already decided which one you want, you can find my affiliate links for Quo and Grasshopper in the description of this video. These links help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Now, let's compare texting and business messaging. Texting and business messaging. Quo and Grasshopper both offer business texting, but the rules and fees around them are a bit different because of modern regulations. As of now, both services require you to complete a business texting registration because of carrier regulations. This is standard regardless of the phone system you use. Quo charges a one-time carrier review fee of $19.50, and then a monthly messaging fee that usually falls between $1.50 and $3 per month. Once that is set up, you get unlimited texting to the US and Canada. Quo's messaging interface looks a lot like iMessage or WhatsApp, which makes it very easy for anyone to use. Now, Grasshopper has a very similar setup for their texting fees. They also charge that one-time $19.50 fee for local number registration and a flat $1.50 monthly fee for messaging. Their texting is also unlimited, but the interface is a bit more basic. One big difference is that Quo allows for scheduled messages, which lets you write a text now and have it sent later. Quo also has snippets so you can create templated messages to reuse. Grasshopper doesn't offer those specific features. If you find yourself sending a lot of follow-up texts to clients and want to save time by batching them or using snippets, Quo has a technical edge that can save you several hours a week. Advanced features and AI automation. Quo and Grasshopper both handle phone calls, but the way they use technology to save you time is where they really split apart. Several features within Quo are powered by artificial intelligence. Quo has AI-powered transcripts and summaries, so you and your team always have clear context about what happened and what to do next. And now Quo also has an AI receptionist called Sona that can handle calls, transfer them, answer questions, qualify leads, and even send SMS follow-ups. Every Quo plan comes with 1,000 Sona credits per month, which equals 10 calls. This means your business can still capture opportunities even if you're busy or away from your phone. Instead of missing calls or scrambling to take notes, Quo automatically organizes conversations so you can search them later or make sure your team has context to follow up for you. Now, Grasshopper, on the other hand, keeps things very traditional. It is a virtual phone system that sits on top of your existing cell phone or office phone. It offers the basics like custom greetings, extensions, and call forwarding. it does not have AI-generated summaries or advanced automation tools. It is designed for the business owner who just wants a professional-sounding business line without any extra bells and whistles. While Quo feels like a modern business phone with an extended features app, Grasshopper feels like a reliable utility. If you want your phone system to think for you, Quo is the clear winner. But if you want something that just works, Grasshopper is simple to manage. Integration and workflow. Quo and Grasshopper handle connections to other software in very different ways. Quo is designed to live inside the other tools you already use. If your company uses a CRM like HubSpot, Salesforce, or Jobber, Quo can sync your calls and texts directly into those platforms. This means when a customer calls, their history pops up automatically. It also works with Slack, so your team can see incoming texts in a shared channel. These connections are built in and don't require you to be a computer expert to set up, though you usually have to be on the business or scale plans to access them. Grasshopper is much more isolated. It doesn't have a long list of direct integrations with big CRMs or team chat apps. It is meant to be a standalone system where you answer the phone, talk to the customer, and hang up. If you need to log that call in another system, you usually have to do it manually. This can be a bit of a headache as your business grows because it adds extra steps to your day. However, for a very small business or a solo creator, this lack of complexity might actually be a good thing. You don't have to worry about syncing data or managing multiple software connections. You just use it as a phone. Scalability and support. Quo and Grasshopper handle growth in ways that favor different types of business owners. Quo is built to scale with growing teams. On their highest plan, they offer priority support and even a dedicated person to help you get your whole team set up. If your system goes down or you have a technical question, you can get someone on the phone or chat very quickly. This makes it a great choice for a company that expects to grow quickly and needs a support team that can enable them. Grasshopper is very stable but doesn't change much as you grow. They offer 24/7 support to everyone, which is great because you don't have to pay for a more expensive plan just to get help. However, because they don't have the same level of API access or custom setup options as Quo, you might eventually hit a ceiling where the software can do what you need it to do. Grasshopper is perfect for a business that wants to keep their expenses flat, while Quo is better for the fast-track startup that needs more support and more technical power every year. Pricing structure and long-term costs. Quo and Grasshopper have very different ways of pricing. If you look at Quo, they use a per-user model. This means if you have 5 people on your team, you pay for 5 seats every single month. As of today, their monthly plans range from $19 to $47 per user per month. If you pay for a whole year at once, those prices drop to between $15 and $35 per month. It is very predictable, but the bill gets higher every time you hire a new employee. Grasshopper does things differently by offering flat rate plans. For example, their Solo Plus plan is $32 per month if you pay monthly, or about $25 per month if you pay for the year. The big catch here is that Solo Plus allows for unlimited users. However, while you have unlimited people, you are limited on how many actual phone numbers and extensions you get. Grasshopper is built for teams that are happy to share 1 or 2 main lines. Quo is built for businesses where everyone can share multiple lines if necessary and manages many team numbers as they need within their own workspace. Choosing the right tool for your business. So, which one should you choose? You should pick Quo if you are a modern team that needs collaboration to be at the core of your business. If you want AI to help manage your calls and take notes for you, like writing call summaries, tagging conversations, and syncing every detail directly into your CRM. While you pay a per-user fee, the massive amount of time saved through AI and deep software integrations makes Quo the most powerful and efficient choice for collaborative teams and growing businesses who need to make sure they never miss a customer. Now, on the other hand, you should pick Grasshopper if you are a small business looking to keep your costs as low as possible. If you have a small team that needs a basic solution, Grasshopper's flat rate pricing will save you money. It is a simple, reliable system that gives you a professional image without the complexity of modern AI tools. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. The best way to support the channel is to use the links in the description to sign up to either Quo or Grasshopper. And now that you've seen the breakdown, are you ready to let an AI like Sona handle your front desk, or do you prefer the old school reliability of a standard business line? Let me know your pick in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.